Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about an exciting topic that I'm sure many of you have heard about. We will be discussing how to help Mounjaro drug in weight loss. Mounjaro drug is a weight loss supplement that has gained a lot of popularity in recent years. But what is it exactly? How does it work? And most importantly, how can you use it to help you achieve your weight loss goals? Keep watching to find out. Part 1. What is Mounjaro drug? Mounjaro drug is a weight loss supplement that is made from natural ingredients. It is designed to help people lose weight by suppressing their appetite and increasing their metabolism. The active ingredient in Mounjaro drug is a plant extract called Hoodia gordoni. Hoodia gordoni is a cactus-like plant that grows in the Kalahari Desert in Africa. For centuries, the indigenous people of the Kalahari Desert have used Hoodia gordoni to suppress their appetite during long hunting trips. Part 2. How does Mounjaro drug work? Mounjaro drug works by suppressing your appetite. When you take Mounjaro drug, it sends a signal to your brain that you are full, even if you haven't eaten anything. This makes it easier for you to stick to your diet plan and avoid overeating. Mounjaro drug also works by increasing your metabolism. When your metabolism is increased, your body burns more calories throughout the day, even when you are not exercising. Part 3. How to use Mounjaro drug for weight loss. Now that you know what Mounjaro drug is and how it works, let's talk about how you can use it to help you achieve your weight loss goals. Here are some tips. Take Mounjaro drug as directed. Follow the instructions on the bottle carefully. Do not take more than the recommended dose. Use Mounjaro drug as part of a healthy diet and exercise plan. Mounjaro drug is not a magic pill that will make you lose weight overnight. You still need to eat a healthy diet and exercise regularly to see results. Drink plenty of water. Drinking water can help you feel full and reduce your appetite. It can also help flush toxins out of your body. Be patient. Weight loss takes time. Do not expect to see results overnight. Stick to your diet and exercise plan and be patient. You will see results if you are consistent. Part 4. Side effects of Mounjaro drug. Like all supplements, Mounjaro drug may cause some side effects. The most common side effects of Mounjaro drug include 1. Dry mouth. 2. Headache. 3. Nausea. 4. Upset stomach. These side effects are usually mild and go away on their own. If you experience any severe side effects, stop taking Mounjaro drug and consult your doctor. Part 5. Precautions and warnings before taking Mounjaro drug. There are some precautions and warnings you should be aware of. Mounjaro drug is not recommended for pregnant or breastfeeding women. Mounjaro drug may interact with certain medications. If you are taking any medications, consult your doctor before taking Mounjaro drug. Do not take Mounjaro drug if you have a history of heart disease, high blood pressure, or diabetes. Do not take Mounjaro drug if you are under 18 years old. Conclusion. And that's it for today's video. We hope